crafters, welcome to Crafters Autonomous. Once again, it's Amanda here. So, this Saturday is the 17th of March, and that is also St. Patrick's Day. So, fun fact, I've got some Irish in me. I mean, the red hair might give that away, but you know, I do have some Irish heritage. Also, my younger sister, her birthday is actually on St. Patrick's Day, so that's pretty cool that her birthday's on a holiday, but it's not quite like having your birthday on Christmas. So anyway, some fun facts about my family and St. Patrick's Day. So, I decided that for this week's TuTu, we would make a St. Patrick's Day themed project. So, we're not going to need many items, we're just going to need a little bit of paint, maybe a Sharpie or two, and a miniature flower pot. Or you could do any size flower pot. I'm just going with the miniature one because it's super cute. We're going to turn this flower pot into a leprechaun hat. And it's really cute because you can use it either and turn them into a bunch of little place settings if you use the small pots, or you could use a bigger one and turn it into something for on your mantle. I'm just going to show you how to make a cute little one today using just a basic terracotta pot. So the main things I'm going to need are paint. I've got just some basic acrylic paint here. I'm going to start with a coat of white, just that way the green will really pop. So the white will kind of like prime the pot. And then I've got this really pretty green gloss finish acrylic paint that I will use to make the actual green, and then I'll use some Sharpies and different things to add in the details. So let's get out a paintbrush and some paint and get to painting our pot. So check it out, this is our finished leprechaun hat. Isn't that super cute? Also, I do want to mention that the inspiration for this project came from Hatter and Hair Events blog. So I just want to give a shout out to them and thanks for the awesome idea. And I'll put a link in the description below so you can find their blog article on this project. But I think this is so much fun, super cute. I'm probably going to put this on the mantle and see how long until the rest of my family notices. Also, if you want to get like extra fancy, you can get some of these like gold dollar coins and, you know, set them beside there, make like a little pot of gold, a little pile of gold, buy your leprechaun flower pot hat. I don't know, just kind of a cute idea if you want to use this as a decoration. Of course, you can always use this as a place setting, like a name tag, and you can put names on these. But overall, I think this is a super cute project, super fun, so I hope you enjoy making this just in time for St. Patrick's Day. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like on this video so that way others know it's worth watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell because that will both make sure you don't miss any awesome crafting videos and it will help me get back into YouTube's partner program, which I'm really working hard to get back into. So if you just click the subscribe button, it's a win-win situation for both of us. So I hope you hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed to Crafters Autonomous. But this is the project that I have for you today. I hope you all have an awesome St. Patrick's Day and happy crafting. Now, I know it's not actually St. Patrick's Day yet, but you might notice I'm not wearing any green even while making a St. Patrick's Day craft. So if I want to avoid being pinched, I've got some different options. I figured I'd show you guys what I can do to incorporate green into my outfit, and you can let me know which look you like best.